For this video, we will go over the Custom Report Builder feature. First, we will start by loading in an analysis file via drag and drop. Once loaded, we can then navigate to the Reports menu item, then go to Custom Reports. Here we can see all the reports that we have saved for this analysis method. By default, we will see the Full Report option. This is the Report Builder window. Here, we can build out the data that will be generated for the report. Each section is resizable. On the left is items that will be dragged and dropped into the columns to control what is shown. It is disabled currently as the full report is not editable. By default, we have 4 categories: analysis info, ratios, user functions, and custom expressions. Each is pre-filled with respective columns for the analysis method. If we click on a column, we can see the details window changes to reflect a preview of the data that will be shown in the report. For user functions and ratios, this includes numeric statistical data. If we want to edit our own report, we're going to have to create a new one. We can choose from full or blank. We're going to select full for this demonstration. Now we can edit the report. We can double click on the columns and categories, and this will allow us to show or hide them. We can also right click to bring up the context menu, which will allow us to delete them from the report. Additionally, we can drag and drop to reorder them as we want. If we want to add a new category, we will need to give it a name and then click Create a Category. A new empty category is created with that name. If we click on it, we can then go to it and then start dragging and dropping items from the left side to populate this category. We can save the report if we like the one we've created. Afterwards, Tripoli will start tracking the changes and even allow us to revert back to the original we had saved if we want. When we're satisfied, we can generate the report. Tripoli automatically saves the report CSV file in the same directory as the first analysis in the list. If we click Save and Open, we can see the output data from the analysis into the CSV file, as well as a footer with some metadata that was inserted by Tripoli. Now let's look at how Tripoli handles multiple analyses with the report builder. Here we have 4 analyses in our session, but we can see that one of them has a different method. Highlighting the analyses we want will allow us to include them in the report builder. However, Tripoli quickly informs us that we can't have different methods in the same report. If we want to continue, we need to only select the 3 that have the same type. Now we can see that all 3 we selected are in this report builder, and if I generate a new report, here we can see they all show up in the CSV output as well.